Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the photo and immediately duplicating the background to preserve the original. Next, zoom in so you can see pixels clearly, then choose a selection tool and carefully outline the emoji area. Make a layer mask right away so your edits stay non-destructive. Once done, you'll have a controlled workspace that lets you try fixes without losing data. This makes it easy to revert or adjust if the fill doesn't match perfectly. Now remove the emoji by filling the selected area using content-aware fill for quick results, or the clone stamp when textures are tricky. Work in small patches and constantly sample pixels from nearby skin, fabric, or background so patterns remain consistent. You should alternate between the mask and the paint layer, refining edges with a 1-3 pixel feather to avoid hard lines. As you go, toggle visibility to compare. That helps you judge whether the patched area looks natural versus the surrounding pixels. Finish by refining texture with the healing brush and smoothing any repeating patterns with slight cloning. Then match tone and color using curves or color balance so the repaired area blends seamlessly. Once satisfied, flatten a copy for export as PNG or JPG and keep the layered file for future edits. If the patch looks odd, undo and try a smaller clone source or increase feathering. If edges remain visible, reduce brush hardness and resample nearby pixels until the repair disappears.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.